If we're honest, is the facade industry generally prepared for the life cycle challenges facing existing facades over the coming decades?
Potential out there is huge, and what we're actually doing is relatively small. What's actually happening is relatively minor compared to the size of what's there.
We need to continuously challenge ourselves, and we need to continuously learn. And I keep coming back to education. I think it starts there. We need to get young people into the industry.
Buildings are built and they're currently more like disposable cameras, right? You build them and they're done, they serve the purpose, then let's hope they last, but they need to be designed to dismantle, to decarb, and to be upgraded.
You don't treat a facade like you treat a car, right? But you don't wait for your car to just break even. You just go and you have it checked before it breaks down.
Wouldn't it be fabulous if your facade, every bay of your facade effectively had its own MOT history?
If a facade underperforms 20 years from now, who's accountable?
The cavalry's not coming over the horizon just yet. I function in a very small niche within my little niche. That there's no going back. This thing is moving and it will keep moving. They bought into the idea, they love the idea, and it will not stop.
Hopefully today's discussion is the start of a wider conversation rather than the end of one.